Hey guys, this is Deepak and welcome to the Tech Particle channel. This is the fourth video of the tutorial Introduction to C++ Programming Language. In this video, we will mainly deal with the topic Scope of Variables. As in our informal language, we state that scope is any region or space. The same applies to the programming world also. Scope is the region or a space in the program. Scope of the variables are of three different types. Means variable can be declared in three different types. These three are as follow. The very first one is variable can be initialized inside any function or block of code known as local variable. Second one is the variable can be defined as a functional parameter known as formal parameter. And the third one is a variable can be defined outside all functions known as global variable. Now we will discuss one by one. Local variable. As the name states, local variable, it is local to the function. These are variables that are declared inside any function or a block of code and can be used only by statements that are inside that functions or block. Local variable are not known to functions outside their own. Mainly the local variable is that variable which is accessed by only the functions in which it has been declared, not outside that functions. Let's see by implementing one example. This is the program. The first line is include IOStream using namespace std. If you feel difficult in understanding these two lines, you can go to the very first video of the tutorial series. I have explained it. The link had been shown in the I button. After that, the main function is started. I have declared three variables a, b, c. These variables are local since these are in main function. After that, a had been initialized as value of 10, b with value of 20, and c is assigned the value of a. After that, it has been printed the value of a, b, and c. Now I will run the program and show it will print the value of a, b, and c. See, the program has printed the value of a, b, and c. A is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and c have printed the value of a as it had been assigned the value of a. Now the global variables. Global variables are declared outside any function, usually on the top of the program. These type of variables holds the value throughout the lifetime of your program. These are accessible to any function in the program. Now let's check with the program. Here is a program where a have been declared globally and b and c are two local variables. B have assigned the value of 10 and C have assigned the value of 20, and since A is a global, A have been assigned a value of 50. Now I will print the value of A, B, C respectively. This will show the value of A is 50 as it is this, B and C are 10, 20 respectively. Now I will only declare the variable A here and assign the value of A as B plus C. And now I will compile and run the program. This shows the value of a as 30, that is b plus c. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Value of b and c are 10, 20. So we can manipulate the global variable in any function. We will discuss about the passing variables as a functional parameter in subsequent videos. For this video, we will only deal with local and global variable. Now please note that a program can have same name for local as well as for global variable, but the value for the local variable will be given more preference. So let's take an example and understand this. This is a program in which I have declared a as a global variable with value 50 and a as a local variable and assigned the value in local variable as 20. Now I will print the value of a. Now let's see which value, whether 20 or 50 will be printed. See, 20 have been printed, means value for the local variable would be given more preference over the global variable. So it is always good practice to initialize variable properly, otherwise sometimes gives unexpected results. Now come to the topic initialization of local variable. Local variable are not initialized by the system while defining in the programming code. You must need to initialize it by yourself, otherwise it will store some garbage value. So garbage value can be understood as since a variable is declared with its data type in memory. In RAM, so that the memory is having values left by some other application that have accessed that location, we generally refer this value as garbage value. So in normal language, to cope with this complex explanation, we say that this is a garbage value. While global variable are initialized automatically by the system when you define them. Following are some data types with initializer. Int data type initialized with 0, character with null character, floating 0, double floating as a 0, pointer initialized with null. These are for global variables. Hence, it is important to initialize variable properly. Now come to the practice program. You have to write a C++ program to take two global variable as well as two local variable and initialize the value to them. So guys, if you really like this video, give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel if not done yet, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.